Finally, guys, I've discovered a free and unlimited AI video generator that needs just one prompt to create unlimited images and videos. You might be wondering, which tool is this? Well, it's called Grok AI, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. To make videos like this, just open Google and search for Grok AI. Once you find the official Grok AI website, click on it. Now you'll need to create a free account. I'll just continue with Google, and within a few seconds, my account is ready. After you log in, click on the menu icon in the top left corner and select Imagine. This will take you to a page filled with AI-generated images made by other users. Here, you'll see a box that says, Type to Imagine. Now, just type what you want to create in that box. For example, greater than a realistic Pixar-style image of an elderly couple walking hand in hand on a fashion runway, with soft lighting and cinematic depth. Then click on the arrow icon. In just a few seconds, Grok AI will generate high-quality images for you, completely free and unlimited. And the best part is, you can even turn those images into videos. To do that, simply click on the play icon under the image, and Grok AI will instantly create a short AI-generated video from that image. You'll also see a customized video box on the side. Here, you can describe what you want to happen in your video. For example, if I type, "They should hug each other," and click the arrow and play icon again, Grok AI will update the video and make them hug each other. You can create unlimited AI videos this way. Historical clips, space animations, fantasy scenes, or anything you can imagine. Everything is free, fast, and super fun to use. And that's how you can create unlimited AI images and videos using just one simple prompt with Grok AI. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who love AI tools. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.